skied a lot worse things this year.
You've probably heard me say that now way too many times. That's like my go-to phrase.
Well, it's true.
I know.
Most of the time, it's true.
I'll be honest, when I actually ski the thing that's the worst thing I skied this year, then I'll tell you. I'll be like, we are just dropping down. We're heading down and then we'll head back up.
Terrible?
No. It's not the worst thing I skied this year. What's that? Yeah. These skis are actually surprisingly good on this crap. I don't know why. Like, they were actually good coming down Rose Shoulder, too. You've probably got a lot more work with those skis than I. You probably got a lot more work with mine. Yeah.
Right down to this.
Yeah.
Flat edge that's
Cut out. We're out. But I might mean that the Rose Knob one might be better by the time we get to it. Hopefully. It's kind of similar aspect. So it'll have another 45 to hour stop. Yeah. 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 True.
Like slightly less wind.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Karen, you ever get called Cody Townsend?
No. But he is my idol.
Yeah, well, you got the look. I think his hair's a little longer too?
His hair's a little longer.
Yeah.
You okay, Leah?
Oh, I'm fine. No,
Okay.
it's just like so rattly.
I know. Whoa, look at this. Maybe we should have just skied that. over. Got that hot wax
Even
on.
the warm wax is sticking in some of those spots.
Yeah.
Damn, that got warm.
Yeah, that got warm real quick. Right?
Down here, right?
That's what I think, yeah. I hope so. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now it's getting slushy.
A little heavy.
A little heavy.
Yeah, I think it's like.
Yeah, I think it's right down there. That was a really fun line, though.
Yeah, dude, yeah.
I'm really happy we did that. There's a track kind of back left. I'm at the corner, so follow it. Find the track, follow it.